Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we have some issues with the bushings we put in. I think one of the subscribers mentioned that I have the big washer. I'll show you. The one that I said was extra. I think it's 2-inch. It's supposed to go small washer. Then we're going to put it back together. Anyways, let's go small washer, then the floor pan between here, then the big washer, then the bushing, and then the frame. Frame between it, then the bottom bushing, and then the medium washer. Anyways, it's supposed to look like that. So we'll go back and redo the fronts and the middles. And another subscriber mentioned using a sawzall to cut the top bushing out and then cutting it again close to the frame. Then the bottom bushing should drop out and hammer the plate out. So we'll try that on the, I guess the back ones first, since it's easier to get something in there. And if we get that off, then we might jump to the middle ones and try to get those. But first we're gonna reinstall the bushings the right way, and then we'll start at the back. So let's hop over there and get to it. All right, this is how they should look, as I was trying to explain over there. That the big washer goes up top, bushing, medium washer, and nut. And the top of it, just the small washer and the bolt. And that's how that's how it should look, I believe. I do like the look of new stuff on it, though. Go ahead and redo this one and the driver's side one. And then we'll jump back here and try to get the back two old bushings out. And we'll go from there. That's what that one looks like. So I gave it just a little bit more height, but not much. gotta do the driver's side now. That one in there, just haven't tightened down yet since there's no floor pan to tighten it down to. All right, now I think we're gonna head back here to the back and probably take this plate off here and get my Sawzall. Oops. And cut that bushing out, and hopefully it'll let this one fall. But if that works, then we'll cut the other one too. So let me get my Sawzall and get ready. I'm gonna work at this off camera. Kind of hard to film and do it at the same time, so I'll show you what happens after I hopefully get it out. Yeah, I got it out. I just Sawzall did enough in order to break it loose, I guess. But now I gotta get this guy out of here. So I'm gonna work on that for a little bit and see if I can get it. Success. We got both of them out. You can tell by Sawzall that little flange thing off the side, and it just fell down. So I'm gonna try to sweep this out a little bit, and then we'll get our new bushings and put them on there.
All right. We got that one in there. You can to me it seems like this one's lower now. Look across the tailgate. So I need to get that one. But I don't think I'll get to it tonight.
Well, I think that'll do me for tonight. Didn't get all the bushings in, but now I have a plan of how to do it. Figure I'm just gonna sawzall the top bushing completely off and sawzall that little bracket that the bottom bushing sits in. Cut one side of it off, and that just falls out, and that seems to be the easiest way for me right now. I don't know about these mid ones. Might not be able to get my sawzall up in there to cut that bracket off, but we'll look at those when we get there. But next time we'll definitely replace that back one. Then we'll start looking at these two middle ones and hopefully get them off and replaced as well. But anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's already 1:30ish. Took way too long, or it took longer than I thought it was going to take to get that one off. But like I said, now we got a plan and an idea how to do it, so it should be quicker next time, hopefully. But thank you for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. It really means a lot that you chose to come along this journey of trying to rebuild this Bronco with me. Like so far, I think I just passed 140, and that really just blows my mind. Thank you again for all the help. It does mean a lot, and really helps me a lot. But on that note, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Gets more people to see my Bronco and see me struggle with it. But yeah, if you could, please share somebody or whatnot. But thank you again, and I'll see you on the next.